In this video I will talk about Polkadot and share my price prediction for the next time. So let's go straight into the content. So if you're looking on the weekly time frame, you can see that Polkadot is still not at this bullish explosion. We are still in this accumulation phase. Of course, the first really bullish sign was this weekly body close out of this supply zone. Because often when we see this weekly body close outside of this supply zone, the chance that we could see the explosion is there. But as you can see, we then saw this big wick right here. And as I'm always telling you, the chance is really high that we took liquidity which was resting over this last highs. And now we are seeing this retracement to lower levels again. And if we are using this Fibonacci retracement tool on this last swing, you can see that we are right now retesting the 0.618 Fibonacci. And the chance is really high that you could see a bullish explosion just from this zone right here. But if we're seeing a retracement to even lower prices, then of course the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level is a great level to see a potential bounce. Because if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, then I think the chance is also high that you could see a bullish bounce. And we also have this weekly demand zone right here, because from this low we saw this push to the upside, we made a higher high. So the chance if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction is very high that we could see a massive explosion. And on the daily time frame you can see that we are right now also in this demand zone. So as I said, the chance is right now there that we could see this bullish bounce to the upside, especially if we're breaking this last high. So if you now see a bullish reaction to the upside and break this last high here at $9.14, then I think the chance is high that we could see the bullish bounce to the upside again. But as I said, if we see a price to even lower levels, and if this Fibonacci retracement level is not holding, then I think the chance is high that we come back into this demand zone, and the chance that we could see a bullish bounce from here is also very high. Just if we are breaking this one to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices for Polkadot. As long as we are not breaking this daily demand zone right here, then I think the chance is high that we are seeing higher prices in the near future. And from the prices right now to the next potential price target, which is this high right here, we have 42%. And if we are now starting this bullish explosion, the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $23.85. Because after we saw this high, we saw this massive bearish move to lower levels. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we already have a potential of 186%. And if we also find acceptance, bullish acceptance over this high, the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $32.79. And if you're also exploding over this one and find acceptance, then of course the last really interesting chance is the all-time high right here at $55. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 560%. So if we are now starting this bullish explosion, the chance that we could see a move like this is very high. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Polkadot, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So again guys, I think Polkadot is a great project with a very high potential for the long run. And right now this is the first really interesting zone to see a potential bullish breakout. But if we are seeing a move to even lower levels, then I would look at this demand zone for a potential long trade. And just if we are breaking this one to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices for Polkadot. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.